How you doing, YouTube? It's Johnny with Blacktop Performance.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely.
I wanted to show y'all what we're doing. I'll give you a quick glance at the interior. We are putting it back together with all our new black interior. Pretty much got it going. It's looking pretty good. We just stuck on our new gear shifter cover there, and we got our new door panel on over there with a new armrest, new door handle, new door lock, new window crank. She's looking pretty sweet, and we're moving on. We're on to this driver's side. I'm wanting to put the door panel on it and button it all up. Got a new handle, new window crank, and whatnot. Does this? You can see it's been stripped out over the years, and we've been using the vice grips to roll the windows up and down. You know, the old school trick. But I want to replace this regulator. The window regulator, we got a new one in. So that's what we're doing today. We're stripping this door down, taking the window out to put in a new window regulator. So we'll be able to use our new window crank handle. Basically what you have, and I've already started the process, but like I've taken this is the window drop stop, whatever you want to call it, but that would bolt in there. I've taken that out, and I've taken off our window guides here that look like that, and they mount here, here, and here. And as far as the window itself, get some light up in here. If you can look down there, you'll see where the rear track is right here. That piece there, where the window will roll up and down on that track, and the front right down in there. And then the window actually mounts on this track. There'll be a bolt here mounted to the window, and on this other side right in there, bolts to the window there, rides on this bottom track, and it's mounted by these pop rivets from the factory. So we got to take these off, drill them out, grind them off, whatever you got to do. We're going to be replacing this handle. As you can tell, it's pretty beat up, pretty caked up. Got some rust pits going on. We got a new one. We'll have to remove that pop rivet. And here, we're going to have to be removing that bolt, oh, and these two bolts up here. These two hold this rear track that goes all the way up and down. So we're going to be removing that to get the track out, as well as these two to get the front track out that goes all the way down to here. And there's another bolt here holding the bottom of the track on. And of course the roller that's mounted onto the window itself will go under that track, and that's what slides up and down. So we got our work cut out for us. But it's the hold up for me to finish buttoning this interior up by putting this door panel on and getting everything attached to it, such as the armrest and door handle, window crank. So that's what we're doing, and I probably won't be filming all the work because I'm in the middle of moving, and a lot of my equipment's already packed up, and I was gonna hold off on this and do it after the move, but things have changed on the moving situation. We got another month or two here, so I felt like, well, I just don't want to sit here and be idle. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on this. I'm filming this with my camera, with my phone. I can show you the beginning and what it looks like afterwards, run you through the process, kind of show you what I can. But I don't have another person here at the moment to where they can film me while I'm doing the work. But want to kind of show you, I just removed this. Like I said, it's the window stop, the bottom portion. There is window stops that's inside the track for the top, so you can only go up so far. And I'll be showing you that later. Right now I'm gonna jump back onto this, and we're gonna go ahead and start loosening everything up, get this window out of here, and then I'll concentrate on removing these so we can get this and jiggle it and work it out of this hole. This whole big contraption will come out through here, and then we'll have a lot of fun installing the new one. So that's where we are right now. I'll bring you back when I'm a little further. My next process will be, now that I've removed all that, window guides, I'll be probably rolling the window up a little bit so I can get to the bolts that the window mounts to this bottom track right here. In this bottom track there will be 2 bolts, one on each end, that the window is actually bolted to and mounted to that track. So I'm going to loosen those 2, and then that should allow me to work the rollers out of the tracks and release the window from this and take it out of the car. So that's where we are, and I'll bring y'all back when we get to the next step.